Here is the entry for Paper 2 of the Master Glossary, extracted and defined directly from your second paper. The Hobart Law of Object Permanence, Paper 2, Biological Heuristic. The evolutionary cognitive translation error developed by biological organisms, specifically carbon-based life operating on planetary surfaces, that interprets spatial phase alterations and kinetic rearrangements of matter as an external, passing dimension termed time. Temporal grammar. The tripartite cognitive and linguistic framework, past, present, future, constrained by biological evolutionary artifacts. It incorrectly assumes an external temporal container into which the universe moves, decays, or expands. M_text, total, equals N_infty, identity of material conservation and topological invariance, the foundational equation asserting that the total, indestructible scalar mass energy value of the universe, M_text, total, is structurally identical to the non-sequential, closed, unbounded four-dimensional hyperspherical boundary of the permanent now, N_infty. Hyperspherical geometry of N_infty, S cubed, the four-dimensional hyperspherical model of infinity that possesses a finite, strictly conserved volume while completely lacking physical edges, external termination points, or temporal duration. Every coordinate point within N_infty functions as its own structural origin point. Absence of the cosmic memory log. The principle that because M_text, total, is strictly bound to N_infty, the universe possesses no historical recording mechanism, temporal undue buffer, or past spatiotemporal sector, T1. Alleged historical evidence, fossils, sediment layers, red-shifted photons, exists exclusively as immediate, present-state atomic configurations within N_infty. Closed fluid cosmos, incompressible phase continuum, the cosmological model replacing chronological sequence with conservation-neutral energy redistribution. The universe functions as a closed, incompressible, multi-phase fluid sealed within N_infty, where localized state changes, atomic bonding, and entropic decay represent continuous density fluctuations and topological strain relocations rather than temporal events. Concentrated versus dispersed assembly phases. The structural classification of material states, such as active biological life versus decomposed matter, as localized shifts in physical arrangement within the invariant fluid framework, leaving the absolute scalar value of M_text, total, unchanged. Singularities as topological coordinate boundaries. The reframing of cosmological boundary conditions, such as the Big Bang or heat death, not as temporal beginnings or entropic endpoints, but as structural coordinate edges of N_infty, analogous to the North Pole on a terrestrial sphere where directional vectors terminate and redirect across a continuous geometry.